You've had a really long day at work, and finally it's time to head home. You're driving, you're tired, but you're almost there. And before you know it, a car behind you bumps into yours, sending your car to the car in front. A simple inconvenience, right? But for the driver in front, what seems like a simple fender bender becomes a life changing event. The driver in the front car suffers a neck injury that leaves him completely paralyzed. But here's the catch: this person in front suffers a pre existing medical condition, a fragile neck that could snap under even the slightest force. Now, here is the question: should the driver of the rear car be responsible for such an unexpected outcome? This is where the thin skull rule comes in. It's a legal principle that holds you responsible for the full extent of the harm caused by your actions, even if your victim had a pre existing medical condition that made them more susceptible to harm. In simple English, this rule means that you take your victim as you find them. It doesn't matter if their condition is rare or if you couldn't have foreseen it. Now, you might think it was just a tiny bump. How can that lead to something so serious? But then, this is the core of the thin skull rule. The thin skull rule might seem very harsh, but then it is there to protect the most vulnerable among us and to ensure that people pay for the consequences of their action. So, next time you are behind the wheels of a car or in any situation where your actions might affect other people, always remember that you have no idea what vulnerabilities they might have. A seemingly small action can have life altering consequences for you and for them. So be careful. Have you ever found yourself in such a situation? Or do you know someone who has? Share in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. And I'll see you in the next one.